Namaste. Kayachikitsa is one of the most significant branches of Ashtanga Ayurveda and deals with the major chunk of therapeutic aspects of Ayurveda. The word Kaya is derived from the root word Chit Chayane, which means that which gets nourished by the anna or the food we consume, needed for the growth and development. Chiyate annadibihi. Chiyate prashasta doshadhatumalaihi iti kayaha. According to this explanation by Arunadatta, Kaya is that which gets built up from anna, which specifically refers to dosha, dhatu and mala. Dalhana, the commentator of Sushruta Samhita, clarifies the same. Atra Kaya Shabdena doshadhatu mala sanghatha uchyate. Kaya refers to the human body, which is a combination of dosha, dhatu and mala, which are essentially the products of anna. Kayo atra agnihi uchyate. Tasya chikitsa kayachikitsa. Athava kayo dehaha. Tasya chikitsa kayachikitsa. Kaya can also represent Agni in the Sharira, which is responsible for nourishment, apart from its meaning, which is Deha or the body. We cannot move ahead without mentioning the importance of Agni in the body. Shante Agno Mriyate Yukte Chiram Jivatyanaamayaha. Rogi Syad Vikrute Moolam Agnis Tasmat Niruchyate. This sloka depicts the significance of Agni. Without Agni, the body cannot survive. It dies. Only in the presence of optimum Agni can the body sustain. If the Agni is vitiated in any manner, then it becomes the root cause for all diseases. So does Kaya just represent these structural and functional aspects of the body? No, Kaya also represents the psychological aspect. Kayati Shabdayet iti Kaya. The above sloka, which describes how the body is related to mind via the faculties, help us in understanding the psychological aspect where Kaya is defined as Mana. Let us now try to understand the definition of Kayachikitsa and what is included in this branch of Ashtanga Ayurveda. Kayachikitsa nama sarvanga samsrutanam vyadhinam jvara rakta pitta shosha unmada apasmara kushta meha atisaradhinam upashamanartham. According to Acharya Sushruta, Kayachikitsa is a branch of Ayurveda created to address and treat diseases like Jvara, Raktapitta, Shosha, Unmada, Apasmara, Kushta, Meha, Atisara, etc. Thus, by the implication of this definition, Kaya would mean Sarvanga, that is, the complete body. And Kayachikitsa includes the treatment of even the psychological aspects. Kayasya Antaragne Chikitsa Kayachikitsa. Here, Kayachikitsa is defined as the treatment and correction of Agni, that is, the pathological errors of Agni. Kaya means Agni in this context. Agni mediates and is responsible for any metabolic process which requires energy. All diseases in some or the other way involves a pathology in a metabolic process. The role of mind in the cause and cure of diseases is well understood in the branch of Kayachikitsa, and hence due importance is given to strict mental discipline and adherence to moral values. For the same, Manasa roga is described in Kayachikitsa. As a side note, being one among the 8 branches of Ayurveda, another unique aspect of Kayachikitsa is Rasayana Vajikarana, which will be discussed in the coming videos. For a correlative understanding, let us see which all branches of contemporary medicine can be included in Kayachikitsa. According to the above sloka, we can comprehend that Most diseases of inflammatory, infective, and metabolic origin can be included. We can also include bleeding disorders and psychosomatic conditions in Kayachikitsa. General medicine is a medical specialty dedicated to the prevention, diagnosis, and treatment of adult diseases. By definition, it is an all-embracing discipline concerning itself with all aspects of pathology and all the organ-based specialties. The 13 subspecialties of internal medicine are as follows. All of these can be compared and studied as a part of Kayachikitsa. We will be learning about the rest of the branches of Ashtanga Ayurveda in our future videos. If you like this video, hit the like button and comment with your opinions. Consider subscribing to our channel and share with your friends. Follow us on Instagram and Facebook for more updates.